This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and manage the media encryption feature in this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. From here, press the cog icon to launch settings, then look for the security category and select it, and here you have the media encryption, which you can switch on and set the password, or well, by disabling this toggle, you can switch it off respectively. Let's switch it on, then input the encryption password. I'll go with something very simple like 1111. Invalid password format. Oh, so they have the requirements for the password. Let's read them first, and then we will proceed, or if it will allow me to. So once again, password must be 12 or more characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Wow, that's the high bars they set. So let's go ahead and follow those rules. So for example, the exclamation sign 1, 2, 3, 4 heart. That should work. No, it's too short already. Then it's going to be heart reset, perhaps. Yep. So once again, exclamation mark 1, 2, 3, 4 hard reset. Confirm, confirm, and well, as you can see, the media encryption has been switched on successfully. And from here, you can also format SD card and internal memory if necessary. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.